Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. And give me 1 second. Okay, this Toyota Sienna, we have a problem. Let me stop the music before I get hit by strike. Okay, let me get the AC also lower. The fan have to go lower a little bit. I want to check this car. It look like we're gonna go here and go to Maxim C1A0A. I need to diagnose this car. We have pre-collision system malfunction, front camera unavailable. Okay, we're gonna see why. I'm gonna go here, VIN, auto detect. I'm gonna go here far or here short, Toyota. Say okay. North America, radar cruise with the smart key, yes. 2020. Okay, let's see what's going on. Do we need to do some functions or just clear the codes? Okay, front camera unavailable, pre-collision system malfunction. When you have this, try to diagnose the whole car first, whole car, all module, and see what is available. Then you take it from there. So we're gonna wait a little bit. Okay, now I gotta go to diagnose, auto scan. So I'm gonna scan everything. We're gonna wait till it's ready. Okay, now I check, I clear everything, see if there's any code. Tire pressure, don't worry about. ABS, don't worry about ABS. We have one fault. Okay, we don't know what that means. Main body, air condition, navigation, radar, one fault. Radar cruise, one fault. Front camera, 3 fault. Let me see what fault we have here. Trouble code. Front radar sensor axial gap incorrect. Front radar sensor beam axis not adjust. Front radar sensor beam not adjust. This is one of the reasons. Escape. Escape again. Now lane keeping. Issue has either the following. Both function work when it detects that the vehicle is depart from lane to lane. LKA, LDA, lane departure alert. LKA, lane keeping assist. So say okay. Okay, trouble code. Front radar sensor exile, front radar sensor beam exists not. You know, like you need to adjust those stuff. Except escape this. You cannot do it because you need to use some tool to adjust it. Pre-collision. Driver and front passenger seat belt actuator, and what happened to him here? And also and actuate the brake when radar sensor determine. Wow. Okay. Trouble code, they all related to radar. So it looks like I have to send him. Okay, front radar sensor exile gap incorrect. Good. Escape this one here. Go back. So we have a couple of them. Why we have ABS also related to, because it depends on those sensors. Okay, that's where history. Erase it, it may come back. So we're gonna go back. Front camera recognition, lane departure, pre-collision. Those 3 are together. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We are going to correct it and then see what happened.